Hello everyone, it's just Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Klein Tools Armored Cable Jacket Cutter. So this is also for, it's called BX and 3/8 Armored Cable. Now the first thing you're going to notice is you're going to be looking for the cutter. The cutter is not installed. It's in the cap. I already lost this cap here. You got to I don't know if it's, yeah, you just got to pry the cap off, and the cutting wheel, that little cutting wheel is inside that cap. I almost sent it back because I couldn't find it. But then you're going to take, this is just hand tight, unscrew this, and you will have to take this out. That's just a nut. You got to unscrew, yeah, that's just a nut. Unscrew that, take that pin out. That allows that handle to go up a little bit more. Unscrew this, take that screw out, and then you can put the cutter wheel on there with the direction. And now it's assembled, ready to go. To put that, that's just a screw, put that back in. Now I've got this on standard MC cable. There is a lever you can push over for small. So here's what the MC cable looks like. Now let's just show you, it's super easy to use. MC cable has wires in there, and this is just gonna cut the sleeve and not the wires. So just find a spot where you wanna cut it, and then you're gonna make sure it's in that track. You gotta kind of hold it, that little groove, you want that to go down into like one of those notches. You're gonna hold that, okay, while you cut the entire time. So it's kind of meant like this, rotate it, and you're gonna wanna rotate it about there. Now it got real easy. Now you can stop. It made the cut. Now you're gonna unwind it off. Now anytime you cut it, you gotta put a bushing on. Now it's super easy. While this plastic is on there, you're gonna put this bushing on. That's gonna protect the wires because that's like a sharp edge there. So rotate that down. You're gonna push that bushing in. Sometimes turning it helps. There. Now your bushing's in and you're ready to go. Now you can cut this little piece of plastic off. Nothing more to it. You will have to change that blade once in a while, but we used this for a full week of cutting lots of cable and didn't have any problems with it. So again, let's just go over some measurements. It is kind of big. 7.5 inches, you know, that's about 2 inches. Again, in the handles where the cutter is. And up down is about 3-4 inches. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.